Hello everyone, today I talk about how to download and install virtual machine software. I use VirtualBox. VirtualBox is Oracle software you can download through Oracle VirtualBox website. Click Oracle VirtualBox. Then here is VirtualBox. You can get started download. And here now is very new version. It's version 7.2.4. Okay, we just click download. Then you can download in here Windows host. Okay, also you can download is previous release. VirtualBox 7.2, 7.1, 7.0, 6.1. All these are 4.0. This is very old one. If your host Windows system is Windows 7, you can use VirtualBox 6.1. If your Windows 8 or the Windows 10, VirtualBox 7.1, VirtualBox 7.0 is much better. Now, I host the system is Windows 11, so I can download it's a very new one, VirtualBox 7.2.4. Okay. Also, my old is VirtualBox is 7.1.12, so I can update. So let's start download. Next, here is version 7.2.4 is Windows 64. Yeah, is M64. Accept. Next. Okay, we can choose everything. Next. Yes. Yes. At the start menu, create. Yeah. Next. Install. Okay, finish. Yeah, we can check here. Tap, click. Here. And here is Windows 7, Windows 10. So if you want to create new Windows system, you can choose here. For example, Windows 7 or Windows 10. Okay, and here we choose ISO image is Windows system is CD-ROM. Okay, and here we can set up. And here should the product key. Okay. Here is use base memory. CPU is how much hard disk size you want to use. Here you can choose which one you want. Okay, then you finish, you start install. I install already, so We just show you how to install this VirtualBox. VirtualBox is very important for your PLC emulation and SCADA sub job. Okay, thank you very much.